reaction between acid and a base. So when an acid and a base react together, they cancel out or they neutralize the effect of each other. So the reaction produces salt and water. Because in this reaction, they cancel out the effect of each other, it is also referred to as a neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Also, this reaction is exothermic reaction, which basically means when acid and a base react together, it produces heat. So, during the production of this heat, it is referred to as an exothermic reaction. So, when an acid and base react together, it has significant uses in our day-to-day lives. Now, we will see some of the applications of these neutralization reaction. So, the first application of such a reaction is in soil treatment. So when we are growing crops on the field, so that crops require a lot of minerals from the soil. Now when the minerals are now released from the soil to the plants, the soil may become acidic. Now when the soil has become acidic, it is not good for plant and good quality crops will not be grown on that soil. So as to reduce this effect of acidic soil, we apply a base. And that base is generally calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide is added to the soil to neutralize the acidic effect, and that will become some sort of a neutral salt. So when the salt is extremely acidic or it is extremely basic, it is not a good salt. It is not a good soil, and good quality crops will not be grown. Hence we have to reduce this acidic content of the soil by applying a base. The next important application of this reaction is during indigestion. So what is indigestion? Indigestion is a state in which the stomach releases excess of hydrochloric acid. So the stomach of the living beings or the human beings secrete hydrochloric acid. Now when this acid is in excess, it leads to pain and irritation in the stomach. So as to neutralize this effect or decrease the pain, it is generally observed that we should take an antacid. So we should take an antacid. This antacid is basically a base. So this base reacts with the acid present in the stomach to relieve the pain, to relieve the person from the pain. Such type of reaction is also an example of a neutralization reaction. Also, you must note here that generally magnesium hydroxide, that is MgOH whole twice, is taken as an antacid and is commonly referred to as a milk of magnesia. The third important application of the neutralization reaction is in the factory waste. So as you know, there are numerous industries and factories which produce lot of goods for the development of the country. And when they are manufacturing those goods, it results into a lot of waste products also. So these waste products are generally disposed of in the sea water or in nearby water body. Now when they release these waste in the water body, this waste contains acid, because the factory might be using some of the acid for the manufacturing of the product. Now when the waste of the factories contain an acid, and when this acid is disposed of in the river bodies, it may cause harm to the aquatic animals and may lead to water pollution. So it is often prescribed that this acidic waste must be reacted with a base or some other basic compound should be added to the waste before disposing it into the river body. After this reaction, they could be disposed in the river body. So it is another important application of the neutralization reaction. Also some other applications might include like we have animal sting. So when an animal sting is there, it actually injects an acid into the human beings. Like if we take the case of formic acid. So formic acid is basically injected when ant or some type of bee stings in the human being. So when this acid is entered into your body, it actually causes pain and irritation to the human body. So it is generally prescribed or generally said that we should apply a base over that area. That base is generally baking powder. Baking powder is found in the homes, and as it is easily available, so it can be applied to this formic acid to neutralize this effect. So till now, as we have discussed 4 important applications of this reaction, in each of these reactions we have understood that how acid and base can react together and neutralize each other's effect. Either if it is acidic factory waste, we can apply a base. Similarly, if it is an acidic soil, we apply calcium hydroxide. In the case of human beings, during indigestion, we usually take the milk of magnesia, and also in the case of animal sting, or even during tooth decay. If there is tooth decay, that means there is excess of the acid in the teeth, or there is a cavity in the teeth. So due to thus it will lead to pain, and they lead to excessive pain. So as to reduce this excessive pain, while there is so much acid in the tooth, so it is generally prescribed to use a toothpaste. Toothpaste basically contain a base. So toothpaste contains a base, and this base will react in the acid present in the mouth to neutralize this effect. So this was the 5 important applications of the neutralization reaction. So this was the concept. We have discussed the definition, we have discussed the chemical equation, and then we have discussed the applications. In the examination point of view, you might be asked to write a chemical equation. So the chemical equation can be the most common chemical equation for this reaction is basically the hydrochloric acid reacting with a base, that is NaOH, will give you salt, sodium chloride and water. Now when you are writing this equation, you must refer to each of these compounds separately. So you must refer that it is hydrochloric acid, then it is sodium hydroxide reacting to form a salt, sodium chloride, and in the end water. Only then this reaction is complete. You must write the chemical symbols along with the chemical name of each of these compounds. So this was the concept of reaction of acids and bases. We have discussed the definition, the chemical equation, and the important applications.